Hello Mzansi, Dr. Nandipha Magudumana has been denied bail. The court found Dr. Nandipha as a flight risk, therefore she was denied bail. She is a flight risk. She might assist Thabo Bester to escape again. She lied about her accommodation before she left the country. She left her kids and work knowing that she might not even come back to South Africa. She managed to influence the border officials as her passport was not even marked. So she is a flight risk. They cannot take that risk. So her bail was denied today. As you can see, she is praying, she's hoping, she's expecting some sort of miracles. But dealing with Thabo Bester and the accomplices, she was denied bail. Anyway, Mzansi, till I see you again, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the latest Mkhuseli. Bye bye.